So welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this Premiere Pro business advert template, and I'll show you how to download it. I will show you how to edit it. I'll also show you how you can customize this for your own business advert videos. And let me just show you the advert video. So to download this template, you just come to this URL here. Once you visit Briscoe and you come to free Premiere Pro template, you come to this page, just scroll down to where you see click here to download template. Click the link. It's going to take you to this place here. Come down here to where you see free downloads. Click free downloads. Sometimes it's going to redirect you before the downloads gets through. Don't worry about the redirect. And we're using a cloud file uploading server to do this, so just click free download. I think it will redirect you a couple of times. Don't worry. Okay, now, so don't worry about, sometimes it downloads a crazy file. You could just delete the file. Crazy adverts. Okay, so and you can see here, I think it's ready. It's telling you your download will be ready. Okay, so just wait for this countdown here. Tick the button. Sometimes it redirects, you just come back, so you click download. So you can see here it's preparing your download link, so click here to download, and here you get, so this is the document downloading right here. Free business template here. Look at it, downloading. Premiere Pro template here is downloading. So that's how you get to download the file. So when you extract the folder, this is what the folder will look like. So just open the folder and you see we have the assets folder here. This is the Premiere Pro template. So you just open this template on Premiere Pro, and if you check the asset folder, you see all the assets we are going to use for the project there. Let's just go. You see here I even included the fonts for you. This is the font over here. This is the font, and also the sample footages that I used. These are the sample footages right here, and even the audio I use. All of them are you can see here. This is the audio I use. So you can feel free to use some of these footages, or you can actually import your own audio or your own footages and use for the project. Right now I'll be teaching you how to edit this Premiere Pro business trailer or opener. Business opener is just an ad or a promo or an intro or trailer. You can use this, you can customize this for any of your project. So all you need to do is to add your own images, add your own logo. You see here, if you click edit logo here, you can click over here and it brings you to where you can add your logo. So you can actually delete this one. You can see here, you can delete this one and add your own logo here. So you can just drag and drop your logo. Let's just say this is your logo. Somewhere here, if this is your logo, you can just drag your logo and drop it right there. So that easy. So once you've added the logo, make sure it's the same proportion, and once you do that, just come over here and you see media. The same way you click and add your media, you see this is the media I put in the intro. So you just do that for all of this, replace them, just drag and drop your own. You can delete this one here, or you could drag this one up and place your media down, delete this one. So it's not complex. The process is not complex, guys. So once you add media, you just come and do text. We also have text over here. Let me close the media. You can see titles. We have titles here. You also change the titles. If you click here, you see the titles. Let me open the title. All right, so you see that was the title in the beginning. You see this title, you just double click, and once you double click, you can change it to your own title. You see, you can change it to your own title. So it's not complex. Once you're done, you just export the project, come back here this is the main project here, and you see it has not been rendered, so it's going to be glitching. So all you need to do here is just highlight and press question mark and click Ctrl M and export your media. Most times I like to export with this setting, and I select YouTube. I come down, select YouTube, because I upload all of my videos on YouTube, so I want it on a high full HD resolution. So once I select that, I'll just put the title of the this. But sometimes you want to reduce this size, you could actually come to the video settings and make some tweak there. So just easy click export, and my video should be exported. So if you don't want to go through this stress and you want me to just help you create this video or create your advert video for your business, for your your marketing campaigns, you can just come to our website here at breezeschool.org/shop. You should see some of our gigs here. You see here, edit your videos and create professional thumbnails. So that means we'll create your videos, we'll create the thumbnails for you. We have other services for your Instagram. We have web traffic if you want traffic to your website from different countries, like for your links. And we have other services we're offering here: how to build a P2P crypto exchange or a web app. You see promotional marketing videos here. We have different, so you can just come here and select this one, just click this one and add to cart, make your payment, and we should create your video or your project for you, or any of the services you see on our website. You could just see here, we are going to create your video, 1 to 10 minutes video, and we create thumbnails. Everything is going to be professionally created for your marketing campaign or your promotions. So once you add this to cart, you make payment, and you can also drop reviews for us. If you love the services we offer, you could drop us a review. So that should be it right now. Thank you for hanging out. I don't want this video to be longer than this, so see you in the next video, and bye.